Hey guys, so do you guys like hype Supreme or hype branded items but can't be bothered to actually go to a physical store to purchase your items? Don't worry guys, I got the solution for you. Hit that intro. What's up guys, I'm going to be talking about Waves AU. You can check them out at wavesau.com. I've also got a little bit of a package that I got from them that I actually spent money on because I actually wanted to try them out and actually review their actual their experience and their customer kind of service and all that kind of stuff. So, and I just wanted to share that with you guys so you guys can actually kind of get a first-hand experience of someone that actually shopped at their website. Before I continue, I just want to say that these guys are 100% legit. The guys from Waves AU are from Sydney. They are doing a lot of dope stuff. So if ever you guys are feeling a little bit lazy and you don't want to go to like an actual consignment store, there's nothing wrong with going to consignment stores. If you want to look up hype items while in the comfort of your own bed, it's easy as that. You can just check out wavesau.com. I've got a lot of good things to say about this actual website. One of the main things is that what I've noticed straight away is that they do have fairly cheaper prices compared to the other stores out there. Now there are various other reasons why this may be, obviously because they are a website, but they do have some pretty good prices there. It's just something for you to look at as well. They do have a pretty good range as well in terms of Supreme and sneakers as well, so if you guys are into that kind of stuff, definitely check it out. Also, another thing I really want to mention to you guys, if you guys really love Supreme, these dudes, right, they get it as quick as they can into the country after the actual release date. So let's say that Supreme releases or drops something on Thursday night in UK or in LA, right? These dudes at Waves AU, they can actually get it into the country Australia by Monday. That is how quick they can actually do it. Now I know not a lot of the other people can actually do that, but these guys can. So that's something to keep in mind. You can give these guys a go because they can really hook you up. And another really cool feature that they have is that they do afterpay. So if you guys are balling on a budget, well, you know what you got to do, bro. So you can actually purchase these items or whatever you want and use afterpay, so you can actually pay them back in I think it's fortnightly installments. So it's not always about having the money first. If you actually really need the item, you can use this feature. Another thing guys I want to say is that these guys are really friendly, but they're really nice guys. They reply almost straight away. They do a lot of raffles as well, and I'm pretty sure guys that they're actually gonna be at the Kickstand event this coming Sunday on October 7th in Sydney. They're gonna be at the PCYC Center for the It's More Than Just Sneakers Lifestyle Tour event in Sydney. So you guys can actually look them up there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna bring a lot of hate there, and they're doing raffles as well there, so you can actually have a chance to actually win something really cool. Look for them at the actual the Kickstand event this coming weekend. And guys, I'll be there too, so look out for me. If you want to be in the vlog, just say hi. It's as easy as that. And I actually want to get you guys into actual vlog too, because I love having content that actually has my audience in it. Guys, I'm gonna actually do the unboxing now, so let's get to it. Actually, I gotta say, I actually unboxed it already because I didn't know what was inside, so I actually had a look. Yeah, I'm not gonna cut it open or anything. Anyway guys, so this is the actual box, and judging from it, you can already tell that there was actually more than just sneakers inside here. Once again guys, recently after a couple of weeks, you guys heard it all from Kanye himself. He was saying stuff like, I want everyone that wants Yeezys to actually get Yeezys, and this dude is actually fulfilling his promise. So props to actual Kanye, because he's actually doing what he actually promised and he's giving the people what they want. You guys know which sneaker I'm talking about, right? So it's the cream or the triple white. Was it Yeezys that actually came out, the 350s. So I actually got a pair myself. I couldn't pass on a easy cop or easy kind of purchase to actually get a creams, because I've been wanting them. I actually really wanted them more than this one, but it was just so common before that I didn't really want to get it, so that's why I got the zebras. But I really should be kind of purchasing things just because so much people like it. Sorry, so much people have it. I mean, if I really like it, I should buy it because I really like it, not so much because, you know, it's just hyped and rare. You know? So that's why I decided to actually get it. So anyway, once again, guys, so if you guys don't know, I got these at Waves AU. Actually, what does it say? Waves Never Die. That's their actual name, Waves Never Die, but their actual website is wavesau.com. So the dudes there gave me these stickers. They gave me this little thank you note as well. So first things first, I got the Yeezys. Actually, I want to ask you guys, do you remember the time when Yeezys were so rare and so sought after? They were so expensive that every time you look at a pair of Yeezys, you're like, oh my gosh, she's got a pair of Yeezys. You kind of tell that the hype's died down. And, you know, it's not like they don't feel as special, but, you know, yeah, it's just the hype's died down. Yeah, the quality on these are dope. And one thing I really want to say to you guys is, if you're worried about the sizing, this is one of the things I hate about Adidas, no joke. Their sizing is so, like, ugh. I am a size 9.5 in Nikes, right? And so what I've noticed with Adidas shoes is you always have to size either half down or a full size down. Now, I made the mistake, I don't know if you guys watched it in one of my previous videos. Usually I go like a whole size down. So if I'm a 9.5, I go down to 8.5. I've got actually a couple of pair of you know, Adidas sneakers where I've got an 8.5, and they fit nicely, like the Ultra Boost and the actual mesh NMDs. These, like my Zebras, my 350s, and these are a size 9. Okay, they are size 9 in Adidas. And I know these fit perfectly, which is what's really weird about Adidas, because I don't know, I find them really inconsistent with the actual sizing. But hey, that's just how it is, and you guys gotta live with the kind of the L's and the W's. Yeah, so once again, guys, if you're going sizing, I would probably say go half a size down. Don't go full size down, half a size down. That's just my personal experience, guys, and it's worked out really well. It's really clear why I actually got them, because they are pure white. If you guys don't know, I really love white sneakers. Why? Because they match a lot more outfits and they become more bang for your buck. I can't deny is that they are actually so super comfy. A knit upper and the boost at the bottom is fuego. Once again, if I haven't said it before, Waves AU, Waves Never Die, they are legit, guys. So you can actually see me wearing these sneakers at the TKS event this coming Sunday, October 7th at the PCYC Center. I don't know if I said that enough. And if you guys aren't going, you should go. It's going to be so much fun. There's going to be so much stuff to do there. And what the guys generously did is decided to give me a free Supreme t-shirt. Now, guys, I have never ever bought a Supreme t-shirt because of how expensive they can be and how limited they are, and they decided to like give me one for free. And this is the Guns, I think it's called the Guns t-shirt in black. Supreme tag. It's got the Supreme tag right there. I love it, guys. Thank you, Waves AU, for this. And not only did they give me that, they decided to give your boy a free Supreme bouncy ball. Now this is dope, guys. There you go, guys. There you guys go. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the ring light, but that is cool. Thanks once again, Waves AU, Waves Never Die. You guys are awesome. So that's basically all I really wanted to say about them. But guys, definitely give them like a squeeze when you actually go online, because they do have actually a pretty good range. Also, if you guys really want, you can. There's also a sale section that you can actually go to as well. They have, like, you know, even more discounted priced you know, items there for you to actually look at. I really highly advise you guys to actually give these guys a go, because yeah, like honestly, when I was first looking at it, there was so much stuff I didn't want to actually buy, but obviously your boy got a, you know, he's got a mortgage to pay, so I didn't actually get them. I was super 100% satisfied with my actual transaction with them, and I'm pretty sure you guys will be too. So once again, give these guys a go, wavesau.com, and you probably once again see them at the upcoming Kickstand event this coming October 7th. I really hope to actually see you guys there. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and you know, because I would really like to actually see my subscribers there out in Sydney. I'll see you guys in force, even there's like one or two of you. I'm always really happy to actually see you guys, especially now that a lot of you notice who I am now. It's, oh, hey bro, you're KIXPLORE, man. It's like, oh, hey. Yeah, no, it just kind of, it really excites me when people actually know who I am, because you know, they actually enjoy my work. So once again, to all you guys, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for all your support, all your comments as well. You know, I'll do my best to actually keep these videos coming for you guys. And once again, guys, thank you once again for actually watching this video. I hope you guys actually learned something. I will see you guys really soon at the TKS event. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.